The selection is here. Looks like they're cleaned out now.
Oh yeah. Because they would start this up early in the mornings.
I think so. You have that one down. This is empty now.
Yeah. We're gonna try and get whatever we can so far. Probably come back in the morning. Got a pasta. Red flavor here. Tastes kind of like a, I don't know, closest taste I can get to is like a chubby. Yeah, I don't know if everywhere has there, but it's the closest flavor I'm getting.
Yeah, this is like your chubby.
Yeah. Yeah, so we just stopped here for a quick view. You know the area, you know the city there. There's a government building here. As you can see, there's still the cannons and thing there. But yeah, heading back now. Alright, so it's been a couple of days. Been around the island quite a bit. Been a couple of workouts, but I figured I'd take you guys along with this one. So let's get to it. I'm out here, essentially at home base. You know, it's where my people came from. You don't come across certain opportunities because of who you are. Who you are will dictate who you'll be around, who you talk to, who you don't talk to, all the different things. Because you don't know who knows this. You don't know who's doing that. You know, so if I was some bozo doing nothing, would I be here right now? I wouldn't. Right now, warming up on the bike. Gonna hit my actual warm up. Check it out. I'll tag it. Push-ups, you already know the deal. That's the basics. So, bang out some of those. And then, probably hit the weights as well. I did some chest flies yesterday, and man, those were hard, but whew, it's good to get some new exercises in, you know? I always say, diversify your program, diversify your workouts, man. Just doing the same thing gets monotonous, gets boring, and it takes all the fun from working out. So that's why I do a lot of calisthenics. It's fun to do, bro. So we used to do when we were younger, swing on the monkey bars and thing. So that's what I'm doing now, except a little bit more intense.
Yo quiero mi morena, tan rico que se ve, morena, mira como mueve, así, morena, mira como goza, goza, morena, mira como toma, toma morena, tan rico que se ve, morena, mira como mueve, así, morena, mira como goza, goza, morena, mira como toma, tómalo. Esperando pa' tu tiempo, mi amor para ti no es un ejemplo. Y ahora tú me digas que tú sabes que yo soy para ti como la clave permanente. Esto es pa' tu mente, quiero ser tuyo por siempre. Y yo quiero que te sientas como yo me siento. Mira por ejemplo, te veo gozando, te veo andando por la calle, mi morena. Yo sigo pensando, si yo sigo pensando que yo te quiero en mi brazo, mi morena. Yo te quiero en mi brazo.